This is the most important key metrics for making money with profits on Shopify. Hey Avengers, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about one of the important key factors and metrics that you should be looking upon for making profits on your Shopify store that other people are not talking about much. They know or don't know that I don't have no idea at all. And make sure you go down this video and click on the red subscribe button and press on the bell icon and click all to get my videos notification at the first. That important matrix is AROS, that is AROS. For starting out any kind of business, guys, my ultimate goal for this is profits, pure long-term profits. What's yours? Let me know in the comment sections what's your goal for starting out your own business. ROS is the king. ROS should be more than 3. These statements you have heard probably from the big dropshippers, but does ROS only matters? For those who don't know what is ROS, ROAS means return on ad spent. That means how much money you have spent on ads and how much money you have got back. That's pretty simple. But the question arises, does only ROS can give you profits or defines your metrics for making profits? The ROS should be more than 3. I don't think this term is truly correct. I'm not speaking that some of the big dropshippers are true or false. What I'm speaking about, there are some of the hidden charges that they are not including in ROS that won't give you the actual profits that you're looking for. For example, the first hidden charge that I'm talking about is payment gateway service charge. Here in my store I am using as a payment gateway as a PayPal for all my payment gateways, but whenever a order has been placed on my store through PayPal, I have to pay a certain amount of transaction charge. Here I am giving an example of my store. My product is costing around $49.99, but here you can see when the order has been placed, that much money have come. Here you can see only $47 approximate have come. That means $2 have blown away, like boom. The second hidden charges are some of the app charges that they take, and third is the Shopify monthly payment, that is $29.99, that nobody is including on their cost price as a cost price. So by the way, on all my business I remember just one formula: selling price should be more than cost price. That will give you profits. That's it. My cost price should be less than your selling price. That I follow every time, but we have learned this thing in our primary classes. I know, but that works. That I follow in my stores right now. So for solving this and making profits, I am following one of the metrics called AROS. That's actual return on ad spend. That's coming here. This is the chart that I follow for running all my ads and finding out AROS, that is actual return on ad spend, for all of my products to be profitable. And that with this I determine that I should keep running the ads or I should stop or kill the ad sets or ads right now. So here you can see this chart is there. You can take a screenshot of this chart right now. I'll be explaining what does this chart and what are the things that I found that matters for me when I use this chart for running ads. Here you can see the first thing is product pricing. Here you can see the pricing is from the AliExpress or whatever things you are using. I am using for my supplier as Silk Road, and this product price is including the shipping charge also. Product price, that whatever they are giving, and with shipping charge how much it is coming. Here we can see the product price is coming around, I have taken as example as for $10.47. Okay, so next thing is selling price. This is the price that you are including in your store that people are going to purchase from you. This is I'll make one video on next how to find the exact and accurate selling price, or how to put the price of the product on your store so that people can buy. It should not be more or it shouldn't be less. It should be accurate so that people will buy from you. So next thing is that ASP, that is actual selling price. Here we can see 0.15 into 49.99. sorry, ASP is not there. Before this one we are calculating one more thing, that is 0.15 into 49.99. what does it actually matters? Here we can see, here with all my previous experiences, I have seen that the PayPal transaction charge, the Shopify store transaction charge, and here you can see the first thing is product price. Here you can see it is around, I have taken it as an example, I have taken as around $10, and this product pricing is the price that you are taking from the AliExpress or whatever supplier you are using for this one. Currently I am using Silk Road as to fulfill my orders right now, and this product price will include the pricing of the product with shipping. The next thing you can see it here is selling price, that is SP. This is the price that you are including in your store. I'll be in my next video, I'll be making one video on how to choose the correct price for your product so that people are buying from you. It's not more or not less also. Third line, you can see that there is 0.15 into $49.99. what does this means? Here with my previous experience, and I have calculated that the PayPal charges, the app charges plus Shopify charges, all including, it is coming 15%. 15% they are taking charges from yourself. So on calculating of this one, I have taken a value of 15% approximately, that's 0.15 into 49.9. so it is coming around 42.4915. that will be your actual price after you set your price as $49.99 on your store as a product price. This is the actual money that you will be getting after paying all your charges. That's PayPal shipping charge or whatever payment gateway you are using, the app charges, and the Shopify monthly subscription charges. After paying all these things, this is your actual selling price that you are giving the customer to. That's around $42.49. Next line we can find it here is total margin. That's actual margin. Here you can see we have subtracted around $42.4915 minus 10.47. that was our price that we will have to pay for fulfilling the orders including shipping charges. That's coming around $32.015. That's your actual margins. This is the margin that you are getting for one product. So margin means the selling price, actual selling price here, minus the product cost price, whatever price that you are having of that product is including shipping. I am saying one more time, including shipping. So this will become your actual margin, guys. So third thing we can see it here is margin percentage. That's coming around, we will take as margin percentage as 32.0215 divided by for the selling price that you are giving, that is 49.99. your margin percentage is 0.645. I am giving it as an example. So you have to do what you have to do is you have to make accordingly your pricing in these places and find out what is AROS. Okay, so next thing is that AROS, how you can find the AROS. Next line we can see AROS equals to 1 by margin percentage. That's coming around 1.57 for this product, having all the product prices 10.47 including shipping, plus selling price as 49.99. that's after all the transaction charges of apps, PayPal and Shopify subscriptions. It is coming only $42.4915 that will be coming to your bank account, guys. So with this, after this one is you have calculated, then you can find out the actual profit margin and till what ROS percentage you should keep so that you can make profits. So next line you can see ROAS. So here you can see at first, there it comes as AROS is 1.57. So next line you can see ROS should be greater than 1.57. Here this is the thing guys, I have for making actual profits that nobody is talking about. Everybody is talking about ROS should be more than 3, ROS should be more than 2, but nobody is telling the actual correct results of how to, what the maximum value is. So now we have got the actual value that up to which this we can keep on running our ads. Here we can see the ROS should always be greater than, for this product ROS should always be greater than 1.57. so when we are running our ads, the ROS should always be greater than 1.57. so ROS should be greater than AROS. This should be your main line for running your ads or killing your ads. If you want to see how I'm making money online, then make sure you check these 2 cool videos out right now.